Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi teacher. Today we want to make a slime. And this is what I need. This is a glue. This is we have the glue,
spoon,
and then the box, and then the mother glue, and the bowl.
tiga,
This is a tube.
tiga.
First, we put the glue. The by little water.
Little by little, lihat. Stop. That's too much.
And then we stir the water.
Okay.
Secondly, we put another glue. Little by little. And then we stir again. And then we put a bubble
From
the bird. Stop. And then we start again. Finally, we put the box and stir again until well. And tada! This is my home slime. Bye!